lived a girl who wore her heart loud, brave and true. She mended dreams with laughter woven in her thread, carving hope from silent nights where shadows tread. Oh, the lantern in the cave, it burned so wild, so deep, a flicker of the love she'd sowed that none could keep, a spark to banish darkness, a light to heal. Her kindness turned to embers, made the magic real. Through the hills and streams her melody would fly, a gentle tune whispered soft to birds up high.